The next innovation is a device that energises water. I am really looking forward to learning more. I think I've read that you said that vortex energises life. What does that mean?
Vortex is fundamental to all life. DNA helix,
Right, okay.
waves,
Yep.
cyclones, the spin of the Milky Way. It's all about the vortex.
I'm just trying to understand how the vortex works.
We have different mechanisms inside different devices, but fundamentally what they do is they accelerate the spin state of the water molecules and the minerals that are in the water.
So then it goes out onto the crops.
Out onto the crops or into the people or into the animals. Every biological function is enhanced when there's more energy in the water. Most gardeners understand that when it rains, the plants really pop. And that's a function of the energy in the water. As the water falls through the atmosphere, it gets energised. When you use tap water, that water doesn't have that energy. And that's what a vortex device does.
So Simon, you've installed the vortex.
Yeah, we're really happy with it, punching out some good quality fruit, some good yields. Input costs are down a bit because we're not fertilising as much, and the pump's not running as much because our moisture probes in the field aren't cooling for as much water as they used to.
So this is the vortex device that has been installed on this property, and the water comes in through the pump, through the filter and straight back out. Further as this water goes is probably 800 metres that way. So the charge stays in the water for all that distance. In fact, in the States, the longest one we've had is 2.7 k's from the vortex. Our biggest market is the US. We have devices right throughout Australia. We have devices on dairy farms in New Zealand. We have devices in Egypt, hydroponic farmers in England.
We've got a limited supply of water, so we're sort of teetering on the edge of what we can grow, and the more water we save, the more hectares we can grow, the more yield we get, more money in the bank.
One of our farmers that grows pumpkins, she didn't spray for 3/4 of the time her crop was in the ground, just to see what difference it would make. That year she used 50% less water. This is a massive opportunity for us to harness nature's energy to make a difference for the whole planet. Water is a liquid crystal. Its purpose is to transmit energy and information, and when it's vortexed, it can do that more effectively and more efficiently.
The vortex produces cleaner, healthy, energised water, increasing crop productivity, and it's good for you. It deserves to be taken seriously.